if I'm gonna make this into a video. What it do? What's up? KDiani here in the cut. And in today's video, it's not even I'm going to be showing y'all. Y'all going to see me struggle take those locks out of my head. I had them in for a month and some change, and oh, your girl got some length. But it was time for them. Okay, Alpha. It was time for them to come out. I missed my hair. I missed my volume. Like, this is a no. It was cute while it lasted. Let me tell you something. It was cute while it lasted. I won't be doing vlogs for a while again, because them take some time and they take some time to take out. And you need patience. You need patience, okay? But not even gonna ramble anymore. Let's bust right into this video so you can see me struggle. I just want to take these out already. Oh my gosh, what did I do? I'm mostly struggling because I can't take the knot out here because I have these claws, but I'm about to cut them off just so that I can properly take out my hair, because this is ridiculous. I just wanted y'all to see the struggle. Like, the struggle is real. Well, that was easy. I just need the rest of this to be that easy. I give up. I need help. If not, I'm gonna be here all night. My hair, my braids are still moisturized though. That's a good thing, but I'm ready to take these out. I'm about to just cut all my hair off. Just cut it all off. So I'm trying to use like the end of a comb to help me out. But I clearly need Jesus, someone else's hands, and oh shoot, wait, hold up. Oh my God, thank you. Lord, you listened. He heard me. He seen me struggling. Lord have mercy. Oh my God. So that's the trick. If you have some claws on and you want to take the knots out of these, use the end of the combs. Oh my gosh. But if you blind like me, you're gonna have to find a hole, because your girl can't see. It's like it go to here. Hey, why you not coming out? Jesus, I might need your hands again, please. If you help me out this one time, I'll never knot my hair ever again. Please, Lord, just help me out this one time. I'm begging you. And the rest of the times with the rest of these, because this gonna be a struggle. He heard me again. He had to. Oh my god, look at all this product buildup, y'all. Just, ew. Alright, so let's take it from the top. I basically unravel the hair that I wrapped above this, just like so. Then I unravel what was underneath, because remember I wrapped over hair that was already wrapped over the soft lock and my braid. Wow, Kayla, you're an idiot. So you just unravel it. Don't do this, guys, okay? Don't be like me and double wrap. I mean, you can, but I don't know. You guys probably have like better methods to do this. I don't. Just what I know. The same way I put it in, it's the same way I'm gonna take it out. Let's find my braid, and I found it. Okay, that's my hair. Y'all, God is really helping me right now, because he see me struggling and he don't want me to struggle like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, and I'm gonna let y'all see what it looks like when they're all gone. You gonna help me take out my hair, or you just gonna sit there? Say hey. Hey girl, how you doing? Okay, now help me take my hair out. Help me take my hair out. I said take it out. Here. Here. Girl. Girl. Don't play with me, play with your mama. Alright, y'all, so I'm finally done taking those locks out. I did get help from my sister because I was struggling. I was about to cry because I thought I was gonna have to cut my hair, but I didn't have to cut my hair. She was really zooming through it because she had no nails. My nails, these things, was what was holding me back. But if you appreciate the struggle, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, cause like it ain't even if you like this video. I mean, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, cause I'm coming to y'all raw and real. Y'all seeing me at my lowest point right now because I look extremely ratchet. But what I can say, oh Lord, what I can say is my hair is still like moisturized. Like I can feel the grease in my hair. That I can say. But I have a whole bunch of buildup. I'm gonna really have to detox my scalp and all of that good stuff to get all that gunk out. Ooh, that feels like heaven. But I really missed my hair. So I'm ready to wear my hair for a little while, and then we're gonna bust out into a new style. You feel me? Oh, you feel me? But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share the video, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, with many more struggles to come, mucho besitos.